Meaning of eyepatch.
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 Eyepatch. An eyepatch is a piece of cloth or material that covers one eye. It is often worn to protect or cover a damaged or injured eye, or as a fashion accessory. The use of eye patches can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where they were used by warriors, pirates, and sailors. Nowadays, they are commonly associated with fictional characters like superheroes, villains, and pirates. Eye patches have also become a fashionable accessory in recent years, with many people wearing them as a statement piece or for aesthetic purposes.